Hi guys, this is Mr. Jesse. I'm going to teach you how to make your very own Play-Doh. Now, I can't strongly urge you. You're going to need your parents. You're going to need two ingredients, which are baby lotion. This is the one I bought. And some cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can't really see it from right there. Cornstarch, if you don't have that, you can use flour, but I highly suggest trying to get cornstarch. It just helps with the fluffiness of it. But make sure you have your parents with you so they can do this with you. I wouldn't want you guys to do this on your own. And please watch it all the way through because I had some learning to do as I was doing this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, the first ingredient we're going to add is cornstarch. 1 cup of cornstarch. You can use flour if you don't have cornstarch, but the cornstarch really makes it fluffier. So I'm going to add that into the mixing bowl. As such. Sure to try to get all of it in there. And next, we're going to do the baby lotion. Okay, next we're going to add the baby lotion into the cornstarch. Make sure to get all that baby lotion in there. It's okay to use your hands to get some of this out because it's not easy to get out. And you're going to be mixing it anyway with the cornstarch. Okay, now the real fun begins when we start mixing them. It's going to feel funny, but we're going to keep mixing it and mixing it until it hardens. It's not going to get really hard, but kind of just want to mix it around. It starts to get fluffier. So there you have it, guys. How to make Play-Doh at home. Now, you can add food coloring to it to change the color of it. And say if it gets too sticky, you just add some more cornstarch. And if you want a little stickier, just add a little bit more baby lotion. So have fun with it, as I'm gonna have with this myself. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.